Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to bet on Caliente.mx. First, open the Caliente.mx app on your mobile device. Once you're there, go to the top section where all the sports are listed and choose the sport you want to explore. In this example, we'll select football. After selecting football, scroll down and choose the category of the game you want to view. By default, the live option is selected, which shows matches that are currently being played. If you want to view other matches, click on Football to the right, where you can see different leagues and games that are taking place. You can also select Upcoming if you want to view matches that will take place later. In this example, we'll choose Live. Now, go to the second match, where you can see Tahiti and Vanuatu as the two teams playing. On the right, you'll see three columns. The first column, marked with the number 1, represents the first team. The second column, marked with X, represents a draw. And the third column, marked with the number 2, represents the second team. The numbers shown under these columns represent the available betting odds. Now, select one of the displayed options to view it in the bet slip. At the bottom, you'll find the bet slip section. Click on it to view the selected option. Here, you'll put the amount of how much you want to bet. Below that, you can see the amount that you will get if you win. Then click on Policies to continue and place the bet. Keep in mind that real money betting involves financial risk, and you should only use the platform if it is legal and appropriate in your location. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.